Foot Fixer. So we're just doing this heel here with a bit of callus, a bit of dry skin, and we're using various blades. Today we're going to start off with a 22 blade first, and then we are going to move on to, oopsie daisy, we are then going to move on to a bit of 15, a bit of gold blades itself, so we can see here, got a bit of callus here, amazing, thank you very much. Lovely, so it's quite dry, and I like to do this kind of dry versus wet. I find wet tissue is hard to remove. Do you when you try to remove it, do you like it wet or dry?
Dry.
Yeah, it's easier, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely way easier dry.
Yeah. And what do you usually use for it when you do?
When I normally do it myself?
Yeah.
Well, it all depends. Sometimes my mum does it for me.
Oh, nice. Hello, Mum.
But if not, I'll come and see you guys.
Yeah. And did your mum do it quite often when you were younger, right?
When I was a kid, she used to do it for me, yeah.
She must be an expert now.
Every month, depending what time of year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so like this time of year is when they go really dry and crack.
Yeah. And is it worse kind of when it's dry and cracked?
Yeah, this time of year is always the worst time.
A lot of. Just a little bit there. Yeah, I actually find that, except for in between the toes, the heels is a lot easier to take off today too. Yeah, amazing. That's come off very, very easily. Amazing. Yeah, excellent. I'm using my 22 blade. This is a bit wet here, probably when we spray the antiseptic. Get my don't want to take too much of it off because it can be raw here. Especially he's got shoe that rubs against it, so always leave a little bit. That's nice and smooth. So I won't do any more with it. And just come back to the middle. Yeah, excellent. I'm just going to do some top up here. Sometimes with the finer blade, you can do the edges a little bit.
Yeah.
And it smooths things out. Do you guys use anything like this, like different types of tools that smooths out the edges?
No.
No. Okay, I'm happy with that. Just going to do the next. So if you use a 15 blade, things are a lot more slower. Little strokes. It will just take forever to do, which will hurt your arm. So I always use a big 22 blade here. But sometimes if you have lots of cracks, it's actually better to use a gorge blade or a 15 blade actually. If you don't think you can slice everything in one go. And I guess you don't hear the pinging noise or the scraping noise of the skin coming up because it's not that dry actually. Thank you, Stephanie. Anna? Do is just to internally rotate. Excellent. Fantastic. And walk around the foot so that you can position yourself better. You don't have to stay in one spot all the time. Sometimes you can also switch hands. And externally, yep, Benji, yeah, excellent, fantastic, thank you. So you can see it's chunky here. Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to use the 15 blade now. And that's just to finish up everything. Make everything a bit more even, and then we'll use a drill. This kind of flat drill tool here. I'm gonna stick it, so you just stick that on top. And this drill is sponsored by Nail Master. They gave it to me a while ago. I haven't used it until now, actually. I'm gonna start drilling. And you just want to sand it down. I like this more than a mole stitch, to be honest. Do tell me if it's hot, okay? And I use the external handheld drill because I find that any mold disc or any type of drill that you have to spin quite a bit can break down your really expensive drill. So by using this kind of handheld cheaper version, it won't damage your water drill. So you can see it's sanding it. It's nice and smooth. And just gently touch it. Touch and go, touch and go. If you leave it in one spot, it will burn the tissue. Okay, then you don't want to burn any tissue. We'll do the bottom of the foot. Okay.